Read each question carefully. Make sure you have a pencil and paper to work out problems if you need it. Choose the correct answer for each question and submit your work when you have finished. Number 1, Xavier wrote the number 641,126 in his journal. Which of the following is not a way to write 641,126? Number 2, the area of the United States is 3,797,000 square miles. How is this number written in standard form? Number 3, which of the following comparisons is not true? Number 4, four numbers are shown below. In each number, one digit is circled and one digit is underlined. Which statement about the circled digit is true for all four numbers? A, the value of the circled digit is 1/90th the value of the underlined digit. B, the value of the circled digit is 90 times the value of the underlined digit. C, the value of the circled digit is 1/10 the value of the underlined digit. Or D, the value of the circled digit is 10 times the value of the underlined digit. Number 5, a rocket traveled at a speed of 2,495 miles per hour. What is this speed rounded to the nearest 1,000 miles per hour? Number 6, the students at Bradley Middle School need to raise $4,000 for new gym equipment. They raised $2,429 by selling popcorn. They also received a donation of $550 from the community. How much money do the students still need to raise? Number 6, on Friday, 36,812 people attended a rock concert. On Saturday, 3,893 more people attended a country concert than the rock concert. How many people attended the country concert? Number 7, Audrielle and Rudy both work at the movie theater after school. Rudy earned $145 last week, and Audrielle earned $50 more than Rudy did last week. Which equation can be used to find M, the amount of money both Audrielle and Rudy earned last week? Number 8, a pet store has 65 reptiles for sale. One cage contains 25 lizards, one cage contains snakes, and another cage contains the turtles. There are equal number of snakes and turtles. Which diagram can be used to find R, the number of reptiles that are turtles? Use the strip diagrams below to help you answer the question. Number 9, last week, Amy sent 304 text messages. Dawn sent 136 text messages, and Oscar sent 169 text messages. What is the best estimate of the total number of text messages sent by Amy, Dawn, and Oscar last week? Number 11, Alexis can drive about 340 miles on a tank of gas in her car. She already has driven 239 miles. Which of the following is a reasonable estimate for the number of miles Alexis can still drive on her tank of gas? Number 12. The table below shows shoe sale prices at a local shoe store. Based on the information in the table, how much would shoes priced at $56 cost during the sale? This right here should say regular price, and over here on this section should say sale prices.